Eric Muathe with Muathe.com with another IPO timing video. Let's take a look at ZTO, which is an IPO from, let's call it, late October, about 4 weeks ago. And it's been down since the IPO. We can see here from 1950 went all the way to 1425. Recently we've seen a move. For the week it is up about 11%. So we can see that on the weekly we don't have fully developed technical indicators, so we have to go to the daily. And the daily here, you can see that the daily is beginning with its technical indicators on the RSI. You know, it's just now moving to fresh highs for the first time. MACDs are moving to fresh highs. But the best way to look at this is go to the hourly, which is fully developed. And on the hourly, you can see that there was a nice entry based on our minimum requirements. And this entry is based when the RSI jumps to all-time highs. So this entry in the RSI, the MACD. So the MACD jumps to all-time highs here. And also we see that the default MACD on most charts also jumps to new highs and moves above zero for the first time ever. It's one of our minimum requirements. RSI at the same time also jumps to all-time highs during this period here, which coincide with a breakout right here. Let's call it at about 1460, and the stock would go on a run. So you can see that breakout, if you use that timing method for the ultimate Muathe breakout, would have given you a chance to ride this instrument from this breakout here. This is when the RSIs and the MACDs were moving to all-time highs, giving you an entry here in price, and you had a chance to ride this thing all the way short term for a gain of about, let's call it $2 for an IPO that has been pretty much been stuck on a downward draft. There is also another breakout that was successful. This breakout here in price was a good entry based on the fact that at the same time we see that the RSI jumps to all-time highs yet again. RSI moves above 61.8 for the first time ever. We can see that the MACDs also jump to all-time highs, and so does the other MACD. So both MACDs meet the minimum requirement. RSI meets the minimum requirement. Price breakout, and that's why we have this nice move over the last couple of trading hours here. And let's say somebody wanted to play the next potential breakout. You'd have to insist on a price breakout above this 16.30 level thereabouts. So this hourly close would be your next buy point. I believe that is at about 16.30. You need a price breakout above that. You need your RSI to jump to all-time highs during that breakout. You'd also need your RSI to go above 69.1 to confirm momentum. And the MACDs are okay because at least one of your MACDs is already trading at all-time highs. So the next potential breakout based on the hourly chart for this IPO is any breakout that takes the stock above the recent weekly closing high. You'd like the RSI and the MACDs to confirm that too. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. That's how you trade IPOs. Good luck, peace, and blessings. EACS.